Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Step. Hello everyone. I hope you are good and healthy. So for today guys, since last time I did the Amazon haul and I show you that I get the juicer. Actually, that haul is like from last May, so it's been so long, and I've been um, making my juice since then. So for today, I will show you how did I make my juice. And excuse my the plastic back on the back. So this is the juicer I got, the Breville, and I will show you the ingredients for my celery juice and for my carrots juice. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, for our main ingredients, main ingredients. So of course I do have my mason jar, and I do 16 ounce of juice. That is like 2 cups. So I love this mason jar because it's already have the measurement here. So yeah, and then of course I will include collagen for good skin and hair. Good skin and hair. So yeah, that one. And ginger. I have ginger here, and I only use like half of thumb. So only half because ginger is very strong. And half of cucumbers, and of course half of apples, and celery. That is for my celery juice. And what I do is I remove the leaves because I don't know, but this juicer doesn't like the leaves, so it's just like, so might as well take it off because it doesn't the juicer doesn't like to grind it. And for my carrots, it's the same ingredients. Of course, the oh, I forgot, I have the lemon. Where's the lemon? Wait, I'll be back. So for my celery and carrots, I also include lemon. But lemon, I cut this 4 ways because whenever I do juice, it's for 4 days. And I cut this like 4 ways for my 4 days, 4 days of juicing, So yeah, so of course carrots, and I will show you guys how I do this juicing. And for me, it's not about like I want to lose weight or something. It's about like um I want to be healthier. Like I know gain weight because of this pandemic, but yeah, I think stress. So let's start it. Let me prepared all of this, chop them, and then I'll put this in this bad boy here. I'll be back. Okay, let's do the celery juice, guys. So first I will of course use this um mason jar, open it, and I will put the collagen peptides, 1 scoop. It's already have a scoop inside, so yeah, so 1 scoop. I'm just gonna put it here, and I'll back. So this is the lemon. I already cut them 4 ways, but I only use one of this one. So let me put this aside and I'll be back. So my next step, make sure your hands are clean. My hands is clean. So I'll squeeze my lemon here. Make sure I don't know, I just love to do this. And I squeeze it in my hand because I don't want any seeds in my juice. So I will squeeze it. Yep, like that. And all the seeds is here. Okay, we are ready to put our fruit and vegetables and this juicer. So I already have this mason jar here, and I will take this off, and then I'll put the ingredients here. So first I will put half of the apples. I already cut them, and I have the half of the cucumbers. Let me put it here, and of course the ginger, just a little ginger, put it there, and celery, we put it here. And let's start. So it has low and high manual here, but I will choose the low. So let's start. So I already done the juice. I got 16 ounce, and just shake it because of the powder. Just shake, 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 and then it's ready to drink. Let me put this in the fridge, and I'll be back for the carrot juice. Okay, now I'm gonna do the carrots. So of course, still half an apple. I already took the seeds. Just drop it. I'll be back. And the cucumbers. And by the way, you can change the apples. Like I try to be adventurous and change the apples sometimes, like watermelon, or maybe like a quarter of banana. So it's up to you, what fruit do you want to put in your juice. And then of course the ginger, but the constant the regular ingredients of my juice is ginger, lemon, cucumbers, celery, and of course the carrots. And like I said, the apples, you can change them, whatever fruit do you want to choose, or vegetable, so it's up to you. Yeah, so this is my carrots. I did not peel them, so I don't need to peel them because you just take off the juice. So but I took the top of it and the bottom. That's all I do, and cut them. So you don't need to, it's up to you, but me, I didn't peel them, the skin, because like I said, it's a juicer, and this one is really really good. Like there's no pulp, but sometimes it has like a debris on it, because I don't, like I said, I don't peel the fruits and vegetables. I just pour it here, and then yeah, that's it. All the ingredients is here, so let me start it. Okay, we are done with our orange juice. So um I will drink my juice before my breakfast, like 15 minutes after my juice done. I will put the timer, and then after 15 minutes, like I said, I'm gonna eat my breakfast. So yeah, that's my juice, guys. I hope you enjoy watching it, and please like and subscribe, and let me know down the comment which juice is your favorite. So That's it. And always remember that there's always someone who loves